All right, Unity, I'm back. I am going to be continuing to produce more Unity videos. I am excited to be doing this stuff. I don't trust Unity as a corporate entity any farther than I can throw them, and that is not anywhere at all. But I do believe that they will be on good behavior for a few years, and quite frankly, for running a project like Vigilante Racer, I just don't have enough senior level experience inside of Unreal to do that. Now, I believe I can do excellent work to this game inside of Unity. Some of the visuals and things that I have presented in there, I believe already speak for themselves, but there is a lot more that we can do, a lot more stuff that we can go for it. And so I am looking forward to diving back into the Unity ecosystem and kind of going all out in there. I mean, my day job is there. I've got Vigilante Racer, which is coming back to it. And I've got the book, which I'm about 4 chapters away from having finished, aside from rewrites and corrections. And so I'm coming back to Unity. Now, as I said, I don't trust them, so I'm going to be doing additional experiments and proofs, game jams, etc. that will be focused on other things, most likely Godot right now, because I trust their licensing system the most. Unreal, Unity has too much corporate, we can change it because we want more money type reasons inside of it. So I don't trust them as much. But they still represent incredibly powerful tools. So as developers, they represent very powerful tools. Okay. Anyway, as developers, it is important to learn a skill set that will find you work. And if you do want to if you want to be a successful game programmer who is working for places, there are far more jobs related to Unreal and Unity than there are for pretty much any other game engine out there. So keep that in mind, that it is valuable to know at least one of those 2 engines, if not both. And then also get the other ones out there. As your experience grows, go out to some of these open source ones like Godot and contribute. Help make the engine bigger and better. Don't let places like Microsoft do it. Make the engines better yourself in a way where the community can keep growing that engine. So for Godot, I want to support Godot, and I will be doing some tooling and work to support them. But for right now, my day job, my experience level in Vigilante Racer is all pointing back to Unity for now. All right, so I'll see you soon with some new videos.